Well, it's exciting to be there. The red is amazing. So it really gels with the kind of vibrancy that Rasasi stands for as a brand. And more importantly, we are very happy with the way the things have turned out to be. I mean, the jerseys, the way the training kit and everything. For us, I mean, we don't see ourselves as sponsors, you know what I mean? Because this is a very own league of ours. It's in UAE. Rasasi is a homegrown brand. So for us, it's like we feel it's a part of us. So it's more than the sponsorship. It's about how we feel connected with the team. And the brand of cricket that definitely Desert Vipers will come across with. And they will showcase. So we really look forward to the fans, how they relate with us as a brand as well as with the Desert Vipers.
Absolutely. What led Rasasi Perfumes to become the Desert Vipers' principal sponsor?
Well, firstly, for us, I mean, of course, Phil, Tom, and the guys around, and Samarth, and that is first instance as to how we look at it. We are based out of Dubai, so it was very imperative that we look at a Dubai-based franchise, and being backed by Lancer Capital, makes it easier for us. But then, yeah, for us, people are important. The people who are leading the team, Colin, Phil, Tom, the support staff, that is very critical. And also, I'm sure Phil will talk about the sustainability initiatives that Desert Vipers is going to take. So we are excited about that as well. So yes, I mean, in its entirety, we feel connected. There are a lot of common things with us. They want to do a lot for the region in developing the sport, and so do we. We intend to do a lot of activations around how we develop young talent coming from UAE, and that's how the association goes.